Good morning again, Southwest Primary. This week, we are going to be working on List 2 from Fry's Third 100. I hope you got some good practice in last week with List 1. And if you still need practice to List 1, we'll keep that posted and so that you guys have ready access to it. But this week is going to work the same as last week. You're going to first see the word. You're going to hear me say the word. And then I'm going to give you 2 or 3 seconds to repeat the word. Okay, let's begin. Saw. Left. Don't. Few. While. Along. Might. Close. Something. Seem. Next. Hard. Open. All right, that's where we're going to leave this one today. Again, this is just the first part of List 2 from Fry's Third 100. Go ahead and practice this a few times, and then when you're ready, you can move on to the next part of this list. Have a good day.